Parrots, members of the order Psittaciformes, are some of the most colorful, intelligent, and charismatic birds in the world. With their vibrant plumage, ability to mimic human speech, and playful behavior, parrots have captivated human fascination for centuries. Found in tropical and subtropical regions, these birds are not only remarkable for their appearance but also for their complex social structures, cognitive abilities, and ecological roles. This essay explores the characteristics, habitat, behavior, and significance of parrots, highlighting their importance in nature and human culture. Physical characteristics. Parrots are instantly recognizable due to their striking appearance. They come in a kaleidoscope of colors, including bright greens, reds, blues, and yellows. Their vibrant plumage is often a means of communication and camouflage, helping them blend into the colorful foliage of their natural habitats. One of the defining features of parrots is their strong, curved beak, which is designed for cracking nuts, seeds, and fruits. Their beaks are also versatile tools for climbing, manipulating objects, and even preening. Parrots have zygodactyl feet, meaning they have two toes pointing forward and two pointing backward. This arrangement gives them excellent grip, allowing them to grasp branches and hold food with ease. The size of parrots varies significantly among species. The smallest parrot, the pygmy parrot, Micropsita puseo, measures just a centimeter. Inch in length, while the largest, the hyacinth macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacintinus, can reach up to 1 meter. 3 feet. From head to tail. Habitat and distribution. Parrots are native to a wide range of environments, primarily in tropical and subtropical regions. They are most abundant in Central and South America, Africa, Australia, and Southeast Asia. Rainforests, savannas, mangroves, and grasslands serve as their primary habitats, providing ample food and nesting sites. Different species have adapted to specific environments. For instance, the Kea parrot, Nestor notabilis, of New Zealand thrives in alpine regions, while the budgerigar, Melocyticus undulatus, commonly known as a budgie, is native to Australia's arid grasslands. Behavior and intelligence. Parrots are among the most intelligent bird species, rivaling even primates in problem-solving and social complexity. Their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech, is one of their most well-known traits. This ability stems from their highly developed vocal apparatus and cognitive skills. However, parrots do not just mimic sounds. They often use vocalizations to communicate with their flock, express emotions, and warn of dangers. Many parrot species are highly social and live in flocks, which provide protection and opportunities for cooperation. Within these groups, parrots engage in playful activities, grooming, and intricate communication. This social behavior is crucial for their survival and reflects their emotional and cognitive depth. Parrots are also renowned for their problem-solving skills. Studies have shown that they can use tools, count, and understand cause and effect relationships. Some species, like the African grey parrot, Psittacus arathicus, are particularly famous for their ability to comprehend and use words meaningfully. Diet. Parrots are primarily herbivorous, with diets consisting of seeds, nuts, fruits, flowers, and nectar. Some species may also consume small insects or larvae. especially when raising chicks. Their strong beaks are perfectly adapted to break open tough seed shells and nuts, while their tongues, often muscular and textured, help them manipulate food. Certain parrot species, such as the lories and lorikeets, have specialized brush-tipped tongues for feeding on nectar and pollen, making them important pollinators in their ecosystems. Reproduction and lifespan. Parrots are monogamous, often forming lifelong pair bonds. During the breeding season, pairs work together to build nests, typically in tree cavities or rock crevices. The female lays eggs, which she incubates while the male provides food and protection. Parrots are devoted parents, with both males and females participating in feeding and caring for the chicks. The young are altricial, meaning they hatch blind and featherless, requiring weeks of parental care before they fledge. Parrots are long-lived birds, with lifespans ranging from 10 to 60 years, depending on the species. Larger parrots, such as macaws and cockatoos, tend to live longer than smaller species like lovebirds or bajaragas. Ecological importance. Parrots play a crucial role in maintaining the health of their ecosystems as seed dispersers. They help regenerate forests by consuming fruits and nuts and excreting or dropping seeds in new locations. Their feeding habits also contribute to pollination and the control of insect populations. In some regions, the presence of parrots is an indicator of a healthy, biodiverse environment. Their decline often signals broader ecological issues, such as deforestation or climate change. Threats to parrots. Despite their beauty and intelligence, parrots face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss. Deforestation and agricultural expansion have destroyed large swathes of parrot habitats, forcing many species into smaller, fragmented areas. Illegal wildlife trade. Parrots are highly sought after as pets, leading to widespread trapping and smuggling. This practice has devastated wild populations, particularly of rare and colorful species like macaws and cockatoos. Climate change. Shifting weather patterns and rising temperatures impact the availability of food and nesting sites, further threatening parrot populations. Hunting and poaching. In some regions, parrots are hunted for their feathers, meat, or to prevent crop damage. As a result of these threats, many parrot species are endangered or critically endangered. Conservation efforts are essential to protect them and their habitats. Parrots in human culture. Parrots have been a part of human culture for centuries. Their vivid colors and ability to mimic speech have made them popular as pets, symbols, and subjects in art and literature. They were highly prized in ancient civilizations, including by the Mayans and Aztecs, who associated them with the divine. In modern times, parrots feature prominently in popular media, from animated movies to pirate tales. However, their popularity as pets has contributed to the challenges of illegal trade and unethical breeding practices. Conservation efforts. Conserving parrots requires a multifaceted approach, including establishing and protecting wildlife reserves, promoting responsible ecotourism, raising awareness about the impacts of illegal pet trade, supporting breeding and reintroduction programs for endangered species. Organizations like the World Parrot Trust and BirdLife International are actively working to protect parrots and their habitats, emphasizing the importance of sustainable practices and education. Conclusion. Parrots are extraordinary birds that embody beauty, intelligence, and ecological significance. From their dazzling plumage to their remarkable social and cognitive abilities, parrots continue to inspire awe and admiration worldwide. However, the threats they face remind us of the fragility of biodiversity and the urgent need to protect these avian treasures. By safeguarding parrots and their habitats, we not only preserve their species but also contribute to the health and balance of the ecosystems they inhabit. In doing so, we ensure that future generations can continue to marvel at these magnificent creatures in the wild.